Maid Right is a professional and local cleaning service that tackles both residential and commercial projects so that no matter where you are, at home or at the office, you can rest easy in a clean, germ-free environment. We offer a variety of personalized cleaning services to fit your schedule and your needs. Our proprietary disinfectant, MR Shield, is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and coats all surfaces from keyboards to doorknobs. This disinfectant process is used in hospitals and is the perfect way to bring ease of mind to your family, your coworkers, or your customers. All of our cleaning products are eco-friendly, and we use top-of-the-line disinfectant that eliminates 99.9% of cold and flu viruses. When you decide on a recurring clean, the same cleaning team comes to your home or office on a regular schedule. They know the kind of clean you expect, and you know they'll get the job done right every time. Maid Right is your locally owned and operated solution that keeps your house clean, your family safe, and your home disinfected. Call today for your free personal estimate and to find the right kind of clean that fits your needs.